Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the engine air filter for an Audi A3 from 2022. So this is the engine air filter, not the cabin air filter. This is the air that the engine is consuming. I just want to clear that up because sometimes I get comments where people are a little confused on that. This one's an easy one. Let's jump in. So as soon as you open your hood, to the right of the engine, if you're standing in front of the vehicle, is your airbox. This is where your air filter lives. And there is 8 T25 Torxes holding the box together. And don't try to remove these, they kind of stay in the top of the housing, so you just loosen them till they look like that. Go ahead and do that for all the fasteners. Then we can lift the top of the airbox off, exposing our air filter. And you can just pick it up and get it out of there. And a good idea is to take like a damp towel and just kind of wipe in there, just kind of wipe the dirt away, just so it doesn't contaminate your new air filter. You could even use a vacuum cleaner if you got one. There you go, that looks a lot better in there. And then this is our new air filter, just got out of the box. It is a Wix WA10268, and there'll be a link down below in the description for your convenience. And you just line it up like a regular rectangle, rectangle into rectangle. Just put it in the lower part of the air box, and then make sure it is sunken down like this into the lower part all the way around, because otherwise the top of the airbox won't seal. And there we go, that looks perfect. And then just set the top of the airbox back on and start the bolts by hand. So once I've started all of these bolts by hand, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna tighten them with an electric implement, I'm just gonna bring them down to touch. And the way you do that is in a circular pattern, so you kind of start in the middle and go like this and work your way out so the box sits down nice and flat. Now this next part is really important. Listen to the words going to come out of my mouth. These fasteners are made of metal. You're screwing them into plastic. So just be very ginger when you're tightening them and maybe go in stages. Like wrist tight is perfectly fine. Notice I swapped to a little teeny tiny 1/4" drive ratchet just to snug them down. Just give them a little, about that much. It's not tight at all. I don't have a torque spec for you. I'm sure it is a very small number. Because, again, you're just going into plastic. There's no metal threads to receive these bolts. And that's it. So that's how to replace your engine air filter for an Audi A3 from 2022. Very, very easy, very straightforward. Just need the one tool, I think. It was very simple. This is something you could totally do in a garage, at the parts store parking lot. Don't take it to the dealer to do this. They're going to charge you at least $200, and the air filter is $10, I think. This is something you're totally capable of doing at home, and you should be doing every other oil change. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below or go to our website, twocarpros.com, to ask a question for absolutely free. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.